Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, but it's been a while since the last time I did an update. But going into next week, the chart is hanging in there, and I say that from definitely a big picture point of view, because really the only thing that's keeping it bullish from, again, the big picture is that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period simple moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts and technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is above it, that does imply that the overall chart is still, in the bull's favor. And it's definitely an area where, assuming you're long, if the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it. And that's why I'm not going to sit here and say that the entire chart is ruined, but it's definitely getting within the range of a must-hold area, because if the price were to break below this pink line here, again, the 200 period moving average, and then separate to the downside, what would that be doing to it? If that were to occur next week, I mean, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it started before this big move happened here. And I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine, long-lasting strength, long-term strength, the price is not going to go back to where it was. And that's what that, in my mind, that pink line, the 200 period, is representing. Is the price going to make progress, or is the price going to go back to where it was? In terms of progress, let's say the price does indeed pull back a little bit more, but does find some support before working its way back upwards. What would you have here? Well, you'd have a stair step there, if you picture that as another stair step right there. And overall, you would still technically have progress and stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So yeah, today was rough with the gap down, but it is still above the 200 period, so we'll see if the price can hold above it or not. Ideally speaking, if the price can stay above this area of support right here at $1.05, that would be best. But all in all, definitely the must-hold level, the do-or-die level, is that 200 period simple moving average. In the event the price starts to bounce or anything like that, key area of resistance to watch is going to be that purple line there, the 50 period moving average, which you can already see yesterday started to act as resistance. So we'll see in the event there is any sort of bounce if the price can not only break above that mark but stay up above it. So like I said, the bulls are hanging on by a thread. We'll see if the price can maintain above that 200 period or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.